Would you prefer to live with a family that does not provide you any education or healthcare and remain isolated? Or would you like to seek knowledge but cut all ties with your own family? In Educated, a 2019 Alex Award-winning memoir written by Tara Westover, Tara faces the same dilemma. Tara's family, and especially her father, Gene, are devout Mormons who believe in self-sufficiency. He even refused his 7 children from receiving any type of formal education or medical attention because of fears over interference from the federal government. As a result, they lived a very isolated life, without much knowledge of the outside world. Tara initially accepted her father's views. However, things started to change for Tara after her siblings started to become more independent. Sean and Tony, Tara's eldest brothers, leave their family to go to work. Tyler, her other brother, decides to go to college despite strong resistance from his father. Her family members are also involved in 2 accidents, and at other times they suffer numerous work-related injuries. But their parents resolve to treating these injuries at home, which leaves Tara frustrated. The final nail in the coffin is when Sean is involved in a freak motorcycle accident where he sustains injuries to his head. Not knowing what to do, Tara calls her father, who suggests her to bring Sean over to their house where their mother will treat his injuries. However, fearing the worst, Tara disobeys her father and takes Sean to a hospital. This marks a shift in Tara's relationship with her father. She recalls in chapter 16 of her memoir that after that night, there was never a question of whether I would go or stay. Will she be able to break free from her stubborn father and attend college to gain independence, or will she be stuck with her ignorant family of hers forever? Find out by reading Educated. I would recommend this book because of the strong message that it conveys. That is, education and knowledge are the key to an independent and successful life. I also really like the protagonist's struggle with the dilemma of either staying back with her family or severing relationships in search of education. I hope that you'll enjoy this book as much as I did.